What's up, guys? Welcome back to Genzy Garage. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the gear shifter knob on a 2015 Ford Escape in 5 minutes or less. All right, so everything we need today, we got right here the new part, which will be linked down below. And this kit came with the trim tools to pop the cover off, and then the stubby screwdriver makes it incredibly easy to take this off. All right, guys, so we're in the vehicle, and obviously you can see, pretty self-explanatory, we're replacing this thing. But to remove it, you can take your trim tool. We're going to go ahead and just slide it under here and just pop this cover off, just like this. Then when you get under there, there's going to be 2 wires that you need to disconnect. This wire controls the gear shifter. And we get this wire out, it's got this little tab right here. You just push in on this tab and pull out. That'll come right off. Then the second wire is the blue wire that controls the light on the gear shift selector. And this blue wire, there's a tab on the right side if you're looking at it right here. And I like to just take this trim tool, kind of push in that tab, and then just pull it out, and it pops out super easy. So once that's done, you can move that out of the way. And the last thing to do is there's a screw on the back side of this. That's where the stubby comes in handy, but we'll kind of show you a trick to get to that easier. If you just pull the emergency brake, there's a white, see if I can point to it, there's a white lever type thing right here, and you just need to pull that lever back, and that'll allow you to move this gear shifter without actually shifting, because right now you see it's locked. If I get my hand down in there and I pull that white lever back, I'm able to move this. That's why I need to put the vehicle into neutral. I mean, put the emergency brake on, that way it doesn't roll. But here's the screw. So we're just going to remove this. Alright, I told y'all wrong before, there's 2 screws. Let me get the second one here. We got both the screws off, so I'm just going to slide it off. Alright, guys, so this next part can be the most difficult if you don't have the right tools. But the easiest way to do it is there's a tab right here and a tab on this side, and they need to be separated at the same time. So I just like to take this trim tool and slide in between this side. You can take another trim tool, slide it on this side, and it kind of pops them out at the same time. Alright, now we got this piece off, set that aside and take our new part. And it comes with this new collar as well, so you do have the option of taking this inner boot off, kind of separate it. You'd have to break it off because it's glued on, and you could glue this new piece on there. But I'm just gonna swap this piece out, put it on the original boot. So do the same thing to get this piece off. Slide it in. Slide it down to those tabs where they're supposed to be. Alright, easy as that. Just going to slide it back over. Reattach our 2 screws. Now we're going to put this back up from where it was, because that blue wire is really hard to get in like this. So I'll just slide the shifter all the way up, angle this down, connect the blue wire. Connect these wires. All right, there it is. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and greatly improve the aesthetics of your vehicle. Hope this was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.